What's up, everybody? Doing an open house today in Coyote Canyon, North Fontana. Beautiful house. Check out the mountains. We'll be here today from 12 to 3. Address is 5225 Starling in North Fontana, the Coyote Canyon area. I'll take you on a walkthrough right now. It's a 4-bedroom house with an office downstairs. Got tile flooring, living room area, beautiful chandelier. Going into the family room. Nice sized family room with a huge 80-inch TV. Fireplace. Have the wrought iron stair railing, which I've always wanted. Look at the kitchen. Double oven. Justin Lopez.
Hi everybody.
He's here helping me today, so if you need to come get qualified, he's ready to help. Check out this huge pantry too. And then, as you saw, it is a pool house. So I will take you outside to see the pool. Jacuzzi. There's those 3 of the water features, like the waterfall. I just learned this is called a Baja step. Basically, you put your umbrella in there and put your chairs in there. Big side yard. I'm not sure it's quite RV parking. I mean, it could be. Has the gate, but with those AC units and the pool equipment, I don't know if you can get a full RV in here, but it is pretty wide. I'll have to measure it later and let you know for sure. And now I'll take you upstairs. And if you guys are in the area, come on by and check out this beautiful house. Loft. Upstairs laundry. Bathroom. Bedroom 1. Another bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. And then we'll go into the master bedroom. Look at this huge closet too. Shower, bath, another closet, not quite as big. And the bathroom. If you have any questions about this house, the area, come by, let us know. You're curious about the recent increases in the loan limit that's going to take place soon. When do those take place, Justin? Do we know?
January 1st, 2019.
And that's the conventional loan limit so far? We don't know FHA?
No, hopefully you know about 2 weeks in front of FHA.
And we're hoping that it gets somewhere near 430 is what I've been told.
Yeah, definitely. Hoping that.
This is the expert of lending again. So any questions, let me know. Come by and say hi. Thank you so much.